So one of the places that you can get materials from is the 3D warehouse. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and let's say, for example, draw out a random model just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply material to this. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto 3D warehouse first. So once you are in 3D warehouse, you can go ahead and search for different contents, and materials is one of them. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, dirt right here. Then you can see that material is an option. So you can simply go around over here onto materials right here and search for different materials that may be. So right now there is no result for dirt. So let's just go around and type in stones, let's say, for example, and you can see that I got stone materials that I can go ahead and download out. So let's say I want to go ahead and download this one. So let me just go ahead and click on this and then click on download. And you can see that this material now gets downloaded right here just like this. And you got the paint bucket tool ready. So you can simply go ahead and click right here to go ahead and apply out the material right here. So now you can see that this is the material and it also opens up the material tray, and you can go ahead and make the changes to the material as you wish right here, just like this. You can go ahead and change the metalness. You can go ahead and change around the roundness as you can see right here, and then go ahead and change around the options right here as you want as well. You can go ahead and add in your own numbers, add in ambient occlusion, but there's no file for that, so it is just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and get materials from 3D warehouse inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.